everyone. We have Ms. Laura Francos, Managing Director of SMARTPM with us. Ma'am, if you can tell us what is your main highlight here at IMTEX?
We are here in Imtex with our Indian partner Designcell to try to introduce our product and our company in India. We are a SMARTPM and a Spanish company. We have a software called industrial software called MIC, MIC Intelligence Core, that helps to industrial companies to improve their industrial processes and with the digitalization and with the automation of the processes. What we are trying to do with the knowledge of Designcell of the Indian market and the Indian industry is to try to include or introduce our technology, our knowledge about precision processes and efficiency of the processes into India, and Imtex is a good opportunity to see how this works, more or less. I don't know. Yep.
And how has been the response here at IMTEX?
I'm surprised because there is different from European shows, so there is a lot of people, and we are happy because we are meeting many people, many companies that are seeing our technology as an opportunity of improving their processes. So the Imtex is a huge show with a lot of people and super interesting for us.
And what are the major industries that you are focusing on with your product?
Okay, we can have different approaches because our software MIC has different modules that can be adapted to the different levels of digital maturity of processes of companies. Yes, so we can have a different approach, a very easy approach for little companies with few people, few machines, and we have different approaches also for medium companies and strong or big companies. We have modules like Planner, like MIC Starter, that is a MES, and we have also automation packages that do the automation or the introduction to the automation in industries easier. And we also have huge or customized automation projects with engineering processes services that can help big companies to do automation for them. Okay.
So for sure, Indian market must be quite different for you than the European market. So how do you adapt to it?
Yes, the market is different, the approach to the market is different, and the culture is different. Not so different, the problems that the companies have, more or less, are always the same. Here there is a lot of people. In Europe we don't have people, but the problem with the people is the knowledge, the qualification, so we try to solve this, okay? We have many problems in common, but the difference that we have maybe is the approach, the culture, the way of introducing the products in the companies, the methodology. But we have a very, very good partner that is Designcell and our team in India that are the best partners to help us to understand you better and to try to help you in the best way. Yeah.
Can you tell us more about your partnership with Designcell?
Yes, we know Designcell from, 3 or 4 years ago. We have maintained a lot of conversation because we are super aligned with the future vision about the efficiency, about the productiveness, what is the market situation, not only in India, not only in Europe, all around the world. We must be more competitive. We are competing with many countries, not only with our neighbors, okay? So we have been very aligned, and 1 year ago we decided to go deeper in our partnership. Currently we are our distributors and close partners here in India, maybe in other countries also in Asia, and we expect to go deeper and deeper in our relation, and I expect they become SMARTPM in India, and we will be more partners, or we will be more close. Okay.
And ma'am, what are your expansion plans here in Indian market?
I'm conscious that design cells have different offices and different representatives people in the north of India, in the middle of India, in Mumbai, and also here in Bangalore. So we are now defining what is the plan, but the idea is to cover all the country with them. Yeah, that's the idea.
And what new technologies can we expect in future in CAD and CAM systems?
I don't know, in CAM, this is a very mature technology. We are super familiar with them, but in our case, the future is more a software dedicated for the efficiency and for the improvement and automation of the processes. We know that the knowledge of the processes, how to be more efficient, more productive, to be more, competitive in all around the world. It's necessary to implement processes, knowledge, and automation. Okay, the knowledge you can use, so you can work with no qualified people because the rotation of the people is continuous here in India, also in Europe. So you need to have all the knowledge of the companies in one system. This knowledge is super valuable, so it's necessary to be competitive, and the knowledge must be transferred between us and to the people that work with us. So the evolution is to introduce better algorithms into our processes, into our software, to take decision or to give to the people that need to make decision better information in real time. And that's more or less the idea, to have better information, to take better decisions, and to avoid no valuable task. Okay, to do the automation, to go into the automation as far as possible. More or less is my opinion. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for connecting and talking to us.
Thank you so much.